Hi, I'm Moxie. I like makeup, you like makeup. That's why we're here. And today, we have an icon box. These products, let me tell you, I have been blown away. I'm not gonna blab a lot today, so I'm just gonna send you straight into the tests and reviews. And I just hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm just gonna pass you on to the chick with no makeup. I am assuming I already told you the unfortunate situation with my Ipsy box. I'm kind of angry that this is the one that I messed up because this is the Patrick Starr one and I would have loved to have been able to like pick my own stuff on it. But it is what it is. Whatever. So obviously from here, there are a couple of things that we are not gonna test out immediately because, you know, for example, this is a pore mask, which is one of those things that you will not really know. All right, it says that it smooths your skin instantly and over time, that your pores look instantly refined, that, okay. That was, I'm gonna close that. That just came out. Well, I guess we are using some of that. Because it does claim that it will instantly make your skin feel softer and make your pores more refined. It says that it's gonna do that instantly. So I'm gonna use it mostly on my cheek and nose area is my problem area when it comes to not being perfect. I don't necessarily love getting products for skincare from Ipsy is because I don't know a lot. I'm not very well versed in skincare itself. There are very small things that I know here and there, but I'm not like Cassandra, you know, that's first. So I can't really look at a face cream or a mask or anything and read the ingredients and say, oh, this is perfect or whatever. My knowledge basically stops at knowing some of the ingredients that make eye creams not eye creams, you know? And I learned that from watching Cassandra. So I can't really speak on skincare in depth. I can only talk about how I see it working for myself. Okay, this bitch is dry. I'm gonna go take it off. I feel like this smells like farts a little bit. It smells like something. Might not be farts specifically, but it's farty in nature, you know? Like sulfur almost. Softer. I can't lie, my face does feel like a baby's butt. So before I put the mask on, I was having some like dry skin. Like I've been having the past few days like dry skin on my cheeks. It doesn't feel dry, it feels pretty soft. I can't really speak on the pores situation because I was blessed with small pores. I think I have pretty good skin, but I fuck with this mask. Actually, my skin feels really, really smooth. I would 100% keep using it. I will 100% keep using it. That's going on my fridge. For now, with just that one use, I'm gonna go into an 8, simply because I don't know the long-term results that I'm gonna get for it. So I will come back to that. I don't have any more skincare, right? No. This is a multiplying volume styling mist, body and light hold for fine hair. I do not have fine hair. Prior to blow drying, style as usual. I don't blow dry my hair, I straighten it. And I'm not saying wet straightening it. I do wait until my hair is fully dry. And not going with the blow dryer first has made my hair way healthier, and it has helped with my curls not getting burned and shit. So this is gonna be one of those things that I'm gonna have to come back to. God, I really, really do hate the new Ipsy app. The Grow Potion Fluffy Brow and Lash Boosting Serum. Okay, so this retails for $48. What it does, lashes and brows. It's a growth serum. I am a thin brow girly by choice. I don't really want my brows to grow bushy and thick because I don't like that. Lash, I again already have something that works for me. And I already use a lash serum like daily. So I don't really have something that I can be like, oh, this makes a difference, because I already have something that's doing that. I can't really speak on this. I'm just gonna put it to the side and pretend that we didn't get it. That's not something that I can use or speak on because I already, you know, I doubt anybody from Ipsy is watching this, but if we could just like go back to the old UI, or if you could, you know, incorporate the prices back into the things, that would be really cool. Thanks. The Face Glaze Bronze is, the information is on Ipsy because it's not sold out. The value is $25. It says that it's a moisturizer. On Ipsy, it says product type moisturizer. Ways to use it: on its own to add a bronze glow, as a primer, mixed with foundation or moisturizer on top of makeup as a cream bronzer. I want to see how dark this is. Yeah, I can't use this before my foundation. I can't use this before my foundation. That would 100% be considered blackface. So what I'm gonna do is, where's my pinche? I already had this conversation with myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it with my makeup in general. I am going to kind of put the base on and everything before I go into the rest of the things, because it's a bronzer, it's an eyeliner, it's a lipstick, and it's blush. I can get the basics out of the way first. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. So I think for bronzer, I'm just gonna use it down here. Like not as low as I would use my contour. First of all, that blended out easy and flawlessly. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. And the color is not like too dark. And you saw that I used like a decent amount. This thing is gorgeous. It blends out perfectly. Like that thing blended out like effortless. If I want just like maybe like a subtler look or something quick, this for sure 10. And out of 10, I love this so much. What's crazy is that even with me putting translucent powder on top, the glow of the bronzer is still popping. That's it for, oh my God, has this been on the entire time? I'm so sorry. You know what it is? I use it for like background noise, and like I watch it sometimes, but if I'm doing something, I kind of like, so when I start recording, sometimes I mute it out, like entirely tune it out. It's not there. Usually when I have my earbuds on while I'm recording, I'm listening to this. So it just like, it's just something. Oh my God, I can't believe that was on. I'm so sorry. But moving on, I'm gonna go into the cheek clapper. I'm so excited about this. Ooh, it does have a plastic, by the way. It just like, okay. So for this, the blush retails for $38. Ooh, it has a plastic. We love that here. There is a different plastic on top of the cream. Oh, that's not plastic. That is, it's a little, oh, so that the powder doesn't get on the cream. That's, I love that. Okay, so that's cream. I didn't have to put powder on. Let me really quick. That's pink. Okay, I do have a little bit of powder. That's crazy. I don't know if it's showing up. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of cream in the front because it's like the lightest one. And then I'm just gonna use the powder to the back of my face. That's so pretty. It's so pretty. It looks way pinker in person than it does on camera. Also, I love this, like the little thing to protect it. I'm so in love with it. It looks like so cute and pink. Like obviously if you wanted to layer it, you could go more drastic, but you can also go for a subtle look. And again, even with powder on, and you know that I criticize putting cream on top of powder a lot, but I only have a very thin layer of powder, and that like blended out like there is no powder underneath it. But then it also didn't take it away. By the way, the cream is Thirsty, and the one that I'm using right now is Yes Sir. That's pink. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my God. When my husband sees this, I know you're watching, babe, you're fucked. I'm gonna buy this literally every couple of months, so I hope you're ready. But look at it though. Look at it. I'm so in love with this. I so fuck with this so fucking much. Hello? This thing is bananas. B-A-N-I-N-S. Fuck, I hope that I'm gonna copyright strike because of that. Now I want to kind of dip into the little pink. It's kind of a highlight, so I'm just gonna... Okay, I need to stop. I'm gonna do it up towards the light. Oh my God. I wanted to go with something subtle today, Patrick, and you did not let me. You have forced my hand into being extra. This is so mother. So I wanted to use this color all over my lid just to kind of have like a monochromatic look along the entire face. I know it's not an eyeshadow, but it works very well as an eyeshadow. It blends out really well. It applies evenly. I'm obsessed. I really am insanely obsessed. I don't want to put it down. That palette, 100 out of 10, 100,000 out of 10. Okay, you know what? 100 million out of 10. And I'm gonna write that as a scientific quotation because I've been learning that in school. Okay, that out of 10. Crazy, crazy. I never want to live without that. I'm gonna move on because I can't. So this is the One Size Point Made waterproof liquid liner. So this retails for $19. That's less than I pay for my Clinique one. But it currently, as of right now, Saturday, May the 25th, it is on sale for $14.25. I want to see if it's brush or felt. It's felt. One Size hasn't let me down yet, okay? So let's see. Because usually the issue that I have with felt tip eyeliners isn't even in the beginning. It's like in the third or fourth use. They just stop working the way that they were. I'm gonna do like a super thin liner today. So far, I'm into it. It's very precise. It's not as precise as the other liner that we had, but that eyeliner went from precise to fucking awful. It's a pretty dark brown. It's not like a super light brown. Like I would definitely use this if I didn't have a black eyeliner and I wouldn't feel self-conscious about it. So far, you're at 9 because you're not as pointed as you could be, but I'm gonna keep using you and see how you fare. Okay, so far 9, I like it. The last thing is the Lip Snatcher. Okay, so the Lip Snatcher retails for $28. I know we see like $28 for a lip gloss and you're like, oh shit, but it's not, it's 2 products. You're getting 2 products. So copium, but it's true, okay? I'm not a fan of terracotta colors. They just don't look good with my skin tone. But I will, in the name of science, try it out. I'm not really testing this one for myself because I know that these are great. It's more for you guys. I despise terracotta on my skin color. I'm sorry, it's not for me. I'm just gonna take this off and I'm gonna use the gloss by itself really quick because I cannot stand this, okay? It's my skin color. My skin color and terracotta do not go together. I'm gonna try the lip gloss. I fuck with the lip gloss so much more than I do the actual color. I'm not sure if I've shown open wide before because I didn't get it in box. I bought it for myself personally. The lip gloss is really cute and I usually don't use the lipstick all around like I just did that. These always apply so like smoothly. So this one's open wide and I think this one's fucking gorgeous by itself. I mean, Lip Snatcher will always be a 10 for me. I don't like the color, but that's not the lipstick's fault. So Lip Snatcher will always be a 10 for me. The last thing in our box is a perfume, obviously. This is from the new Co. It's called Water Therapy. It is 1 fluid ounce, but then it is 30 milliliters. It's a pretty big fucking bottle. It's not on the website, but the big one is 50 milliliters and it retails for $104. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that this one's like 60 maybe. I haven't tried it, so there's a whole like this heals you and improves your mood and calms the mind and calms feelings of stress. Okay, no. It's very similar to the Commodity Gold, but Commodity Gold is like softer and like more more woodsy and musky, and this one's a bit more floral. It smells like a boy perfume. That's what it smells like. It smells good. It smells amazing, but it smells like a boy perfume. It smells really good though. So I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10 on the smell scale, because my husband's been using like a Valentino perfume that smells amazing, and if I'm comparing it to that, then this one doesn't quite get up there. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna go over everything again and do the thing that I always do, because I feel like that just seems pretty repetitive, and I've noticed in the trends that people just stop watching around this time because I start repeating the same thing. So I'm not gonna do that, and I hope you guys appreciate that. That's pretty much it. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you got your icon box, if you got the same products as me, or if you got something different. If you enjoyed them or not, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on all of my socials. It is at got_moxie with 2 X's on everything. I think that's pretty much it, my guy. I don't know. Thank you for watching again. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.